So I thought I'd record just a short little video because, as you can see, my my roots in English, yes, my roots, mes racines in French, my roots are coming through, and I thought I'd call my colorist and see if I can get a schedule. And when you see what happened is that I had the most amazing colorist. He was fabulous, but he died at 84. He was still coloring hair at 84. He was the most incredible guy who knew how to do colors, who could get that natural color in, and he was absolutely fantastic. And since the death of René Marc, God bless him, I haven't found somebody to replace. I've tried many, I've tried bios, I've done this, I've done that, and it's really been difficult. So when I came across this young lady in May, and she did a most fabulous job. Her name was Melanie Fernandez. I'm like, oh my God, I found a replacement. And I had so much gratitude. I was so pleased. This was a young French girl who'd come to Switzerland and she wanted to set up her own company, and she was wanting to set up her own hairdressing. And I told her that she had a real talent for color. And as you can see, look how wonderful and natural it is. So I sent her a message and I'm like, okay, Melanie, it's time to do my coloring again. And I get this message back saying, I'm back in Marseille. I'm no longer in Switzerland. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what happened? What about your dream about setting up a company? And I got this short answer saying, I'm back here, I'm working in a salon, and I'm looking after my mental health. And that sort of hit me. She's given up on her dream of setting up her own salon here in Switzerland, or proving to her family that she could become a business owner. I don't know what happened. I don't know the details, but she's looking after her mental health. Now, this concept of mental health for me as a 50-year-old, I don't really understand. I mean, I know that we can have trouble. I know that we can have problems, but hey, don't let go of your dreams. Just don't let go of your dreams. You've got to continue. And I want to write back to her. I want to say, where is your dream? Fight for it, because she has a talent. She has a magnificent talent, and people are prepared to pay money here in Switzerland to have somebody who can make this glorious color. Now I'm disappointed. Like, do I go all the way to Marseille? It's like an 8-hour drive just to get my color done, or pay a 200 euro EasyJet ticket just for that? But I just loved the way she worked. And it saddens me to know that she hasn't gone full on her project. So if you've got a dream, if you want to become an entrepreneur, don't let go of your dreams. Step by step. Even if you're working on the side, even if you've got a job to pay the bills, because even I have that at the time being. But I know that things will change and that I will be realizing my dream here one day. And that's why I'm posting these silly little shorts on YouTube, which I'm not very good at, but I'm trying to learn and I'm trying to increase my followers. So I've already gone 1 or 2 more subscribers. So here we go. Don't forget your dream. Go for it, okay? And here you have a Helen with no makeup, totally natural, with an eye that's got to be operated on. But I've done this little video. It's 3 minutes, too long. Allez, bye.